Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Start with a 1900 20x 1080 canvas and a horizontal baseline to set the car center and horizon. Mark front and rear wheel centers evenly on the baseline and use a long hood with the cabin pushed back. Keep the roof height about 1/4 of the car's total length to capture Supra MK4 proportions. Draw 4 guide circles for wheels, roughly 60 mm diameter in your chosen scale, and sketch the greenhouse rectangle above the baseline to place windshield and rear window positions precisely. Refine the blocky shapes into smooth contour lines, capturing the rounded front bumper and subtle fender bulges of the Supra MK4. Indicate the hood vents and sculpted side skirts that hug the lower baseline, add the classic rear wing, and define the greenhouse with thin pillars. For headlights, suggest a pop-up look with recessed housings, and for the rear, draw circular tail lamps with a small centered reverse light. Keep line weight varied. Heavier outer lines, finer interior detail lines for depth. Begin shading with a soft airbrush to lay base reflections and a 25% opacity layer for general shadow under the chassis, then build midtones on body panels to round forms. Add a glossy paint pass with strong highlights along roof and fender curves, and paint a darker shadow band about 3.0 cm high along lower panels to suggest depth. Render wheel spokes, brakes, and subtle tire text. Finalize with a faint ground shadow and small specular highlights on chrome and glass to complete the Supra MK4 look.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.